Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google and YouTube have recently announced that they will be rolling out a new user interface for the YouTube TV app over the next coming days. And I know we really don't talk about TV versions of apps and software, if at all, on this channel, but because you are watching this video on YouTube, I thought you may find this of interest. Now, the whole reason for this change is that in an announcement that Google made on the 13th of March, they say more than ever before, viewers are turning to the largest screen in their homes, their TVs, to watch their favorite YouTube. Now, I must agree with that because on a personal level, I consume most, if not all, of my YouTube content and watch most of my YouTube videos on TV. I very seldom watch a YouTube video on my phone or on my computer or on a computer, so I think that statement is quite correct. They carry on to say, while watching television has historically been considered a passive experience, they are now building one that is uniquely YouTube, that gives viewers the opportunity to engage with the content that they are watching. Now, here we see from this announcement what this experience was like before on the left and what it's going to be like after on the right. Now, they have this to say, and they are calling this lean in, lean back. They have this to say, while the living room has traditionally been a place for lean back experiences, they've learned through their user research and user feedback that when a viewer is excited about the content, they like to multitask. Now, personally, when I'm in my living room watching YouTube or relaxing, I don't like to multitask. I just want to lean back and relax. But nonetheless, that's according to their research. Moving on, they say, with this in mind, their team sought to find a way to add greater engagement to the living room while striking the right balance between interactivity and immersion. So what they did was they began experimenting, or as they call it, tinkering, with the idea of reducing the size of the video player and simplifying the interactions that we can see here on the right. So signature features such as comments can live alongside the content rather than obscuring it, as we can see in the before picture. And this new design, they say, will be rolling out over the next few weeks. So if you're not seeing this on your YouTube TV app, then just be patient because it will be getting to you shortly. Now, they've also say they've developed a couple of prototypes to find the balance, and they were experimenting with a couple of prototypes, as we can see here, due to user feedback. So what they say is they developed a series of prototypes ranging in complexity based on the number of steps a user would need to take, ranging from simple, toggling the design on or off, which is prototype A, to moderate, enabling lightweight controls over the video player, prototype B, to complex, all controls are accessible in the small player window, as we can see in prototype C. So that was a bit of experimenting they did due to user feedback. Now, they also have this to say that with the new design, you'll be able to see on your TV a design solution, they say, that keeps the video front and center, but layers in the ability to access the features all without interrupting the viewer experience. And if we just head to a GIF, this will give us a general idea what they're talking about. And this is more or less what this whole new visual redesign change and experience is going to look like. So they mentioned that on the YouTube app on TV, viewers can use the new experience to read through comments and video descriptions. And in the next few days, they're also going to be bringing this to YouTube TV subscribers. So if you are subscribed to YouTube TV, you can also explore views without disrupting the game or the video that you are watching. So there you have it. As mentioned, a couple of changes coming to the YouTube TV app, and I thought that was interesting, and that's what they are calling lean in, lean back, and they are designing a richer YouTube experience for YouTube TVs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.